Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore tax strategy with TurboTax, full guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your tax strategy with TurboTax, first, ensure you have the latest version of the software installed. Open TurboTax on your device. Sign into your account using your registered email and password. If you have forgotten your password, utilize the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Tax Tools in the left-hand menu. Select Clear and Start Over to reset your previous entries without losing your tax history. Confirm your choice to start over, ensuring that you want to wipe any previously saved data. After resetting, select the appropriate filing option based on your tax situation, such as individual, business, or nonprofit. Begin entering your personal information, ensuring accuracy throughout the process. Proceed to input your income information, whether it comes from W-2s, 1099s, or other sources. Make sure to add any deductions or credits that may apply to your situation to optimize your tax strategy. Utilize the Deductions and Credits section to explore available options based on your eligibility. If applicable, take advantage of TurboTax's recommendations for maximizing potential refunds or minimizing liabilities. Review all entered data for accuracy before moving to the filing section. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and select the option to file your taxes electronically. Choose your preferred payment method if applicable, checking for any fees or costs associated with filing. After your return is filed, keep an eye on the status updates provided by TurboTax for any notifications or follow-ups needed. If you have questions or require further assistance, utilize the TurboTax support resources available online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.